magkano po yung upo? 30%. Ayan. Eh, yung ano po, magkano po yung... So, I'm here at Kalibambangan. Magkano po yung ganito kalong? 120. So, it's 120. Ayan, talong. Mga talong. So, meron po kayong plastic. Okay. Alright. So, guys, I'm gonna make torta talong. I will cook it. But I like it with what? Yeah. And I want to buy some fish. God is safe. Yeah. So, pakita mo yan. Pakita mo yung mga isda. Yan.
Pili na kayo guys.
Pili na kayo, guys. Okay, tika mo nga kung meron ng 1 minute. Okay, that's enough. Bye, guys!